I'm Johnny Torres. Joining me today, Harry Van Heis. He's on the sales team for Progressive Air Systems. Welcome to the Progressive Air Workshop.
Thank you. Glad to be here.
Thanks for being here. We're going to talk today about what are the signs to look for when it may be time to upgrade or replace my AC unit.
Well, one of the biggest signs that would be is that your air conditioner is no longer keeping up with your home. It's either running continuously, and maybe the temperature is starting to creep up. Maybe the humidity isn't as comfortable as it should. Those are the things that would be signs that the air conditioner is not functioning as well as it should be functioning.
Also, maybe some warm pockets throughout the house.
Yeah, that would be part of it. You would get some warm pockets. The humidity would start to rise in your house. You wouldn't be as comfortable at the temperature that you had it set at.
And what is the lifespan again for a typical AC unit here in Florida?
The average lifespan of a unit in Florida is between 10 and 15 years.
Okay.
Ideally, somewhere in that 10 to 12 year range, you should be considering looking at possibly replacing that unit.
Well, and then let's talk about that. So if my AC unit is showing some signs, that it's not quite working the way it should be, what should I do?
Well, hopefully you have either our Penguin Club, which is our maintenance program, or our Penguin Plus Club, where we come out once or twice a year. And when the technician comes out and services your unit, he would tell you that whether or not your unit is functioning up to par, whether or not the amperages are high, maybe drawing more electricity than it should. And that would give you notification that maybe you should have someone come out and give you an estimate.
And so when the tech comes out, what are some of the things he looks for to determine whether or not it's time to upgrade or replace that unit?
He's looking at the temperature difference across the unit, whether or not there's enough of a temperature difference to cool your house, enough of a temperature difference to remove humidity. He's checking the refrigerant charge to see if maybe possibly you've got some leaks in the system.
Okay.
And he's also checking the electric, making sure that the unit isn't drawing too much electricity, which would be really making your electric bill higher.
Now, if my unit just stops working, right? Of course, it gets hot real quick here in Florida. When are you guys available to come out and assist?
We have service technicians available that are 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. When you call our number, somebody will answer the phone, and a service tech will return your call. And we do not charge overtime, so you can get a serviceman any time of the day.
Well, that's a great thing to know.
Weekend.
Yeah, perfect. Well, Harry, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. So remember, in Tampa Bay, the only name you need to remember is Progressive Air Systems, the largest carrier factory authorized dealer on the west coast of Florida. For more information, visit their website, progressiveairsystems.com, or give them a call at 855-847-3898.